Gigi, what's that shiny paper?
It's a treasure map.
Whoa! Real treasure?
Let's go on an adventure.
The map ready side. Loaded. The map says 10 giant steps forward. 1, 2, 3.
Keep going, sailors.
Uh-oh. How do we cross? Maybe jump?
Or use these logs.
Whoa! That was close. Did you hear that? Maybe it's a pirate.
Stay brave, team.
Ah!
The map says, find the tallest tree.
Oh, there is tallest tree. Wow!
Is this the place?
Yes! Look, an X mark.
Here, Max. Let's dig here. 1, 2, 3, dig!
We open it. Ready for you. Open it. Open it.
Ready?
Whoa! Candy treasure. Best adventure ever.
A captain always shares treasure.
Woo! I'm Dillily Upjizzed. Clastal Funin's Jex. What adventure next? Space adventure.
Aye, aye! Aye, crew!